Hi there, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to change your passenger side upper motor mount on our 2013 Nissan Versa. So right here, first I'm going to show you, make sure you get a jack, and I'm going to put it on the motor right there. Make sure you put a piece of board on it. So you can see right here, guys, hold the motor. Let me show you this what I need. So I'm going to use this piece of extension, half-inch drive. I need a 16 socket. I need a 10 socket. I need a 13 socket. I'm going to use this impact wrench right here, guys, and this is the new mount. See right there, brand new, guys. Alright, so let me jump into the video real quick. So I'm using my one hand, guys, to do it. So first I'm going to remove that one all the way to the back over there, so that I light from Abba Freight. Nice good light, guys. Alright, so for those I use the 16. Drop these two first. Alright, I'm going to use the magnet tool. This magnet tool to get the bolt. Right there. Guys, so when you're using that tool, make sure you take your time because those bolts will fly away. And the second one, I'll get the other one over here. Alright, then we have to get another piece of extension. But first, let me move these out of the way and then get another extension. These are the 13. This is 10 right here. Let's get this up here. String it us to the side just like that, guys. So I'm gonna pop these as well. These are 13. Alright, so I need to get that one out there, so I'm gonna get a piece of extension, guys, for that part. Alright, guys, so I got a piece of extension, so now I can hit it. Sometimes it's a bit challenging to get it out, so it takes a little bit of turn. Set the lamp this time. Alright, so I pried this pipe out of the way a little bit, so I'm going to try again to see if I can get it out. Guys, so we need to like that. Just like this, guys. Alright, guys, so if I use my one hand to this, that means you can do it as well, guys. So let's take a time and watch what I'm doing right here. Get these bolts. part. This bolt, guys. Just place it on it just like this. Line up the bolt down here. I'm gonna take my time and use it to turn it just like that, guys. Until it catch. In, so need to get another one. Make sure to catch all of the bolts first, guys, before tightening any one of them. Catch this nut first. I'm going to see if I can catch these bolts. Alright, so I need to get a screwdriver to line up the part. Hold on, I'm in a video. I just want to wrap the motor just like this, guys. Catch this other one. Alright guys, so this is 10. I recommend use your hand. You should not reverse with a impact because it will ring off. So you can use a 10 socket with an angle. Get that one, guys. Alright guys, so there you go right there. That's so simple and easy it is guys to change your motor mount. So if you find this video useful guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.